By the end of this video, you're going to have a breakfast on the go, which takes only 15 minutes of active time to make and lasts you the entire week. Hi VivaFam, I'm Richa from Coach Viva, and I'm here today with Heidi from Manifest Kitchen. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I'm Heidi. I am a trained chef and I just love cooking healthy food. The best is when you get to prep for the whole week.
Yep, can't agree more.
Yeah. Hi, today we're making kale and feta frittatas.
To start, you want to remove the fibrous stems from the kale and roughly chop. Set it aside for use later. Peel and dice your onion. Set this aside with your kale to saute later. Trim and peel your garlic. Really smash the heck out of it. It's going to make the mincing easier later. Once your garlic is peeled, mince your garlic as desired and set aside for use later. In a saute pan over medium heat, heat the oil. Add your onions and garlic and saute until just translucent, about 3 to 5 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally. Once the onions are translucent, add the kale and cook until just wilted. Remove from the heat. Crack your eggs into a bowl. Add the milk, Dijon, and season with salt and pepper. Whisk until the Dijon is well combined. Lightly grease your muffin tin and evenly distribute your onion and kale mixture. Before adding your eggs, top each muffin tin with feta and then evenly distribute your egg mixture. Pop it in the oven and wait for them to come out warm and delicious.
This was a part of our quick and healthy recipe series. The goal is that at the end of every 4 weeks, you have a complete breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner recipes that take 5 ingredients or less, are very highly nutritious, and take 15 minutes or less of active time to make them. If you're looking forward to more in this series, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so that you get a notification every time we drop a video. All right, until next time.